And welcome into Bon Appetit. Well, it's fall. You know what that means? Football in the South, and that's a big deal. People go to football games from all over, but how many of the people actually go into the stadium? What they really go is tailgating. They love tailgating. In fact, a lot of people watch the game from their tailgate on their screen, or they go home.
Absolutely.
Michael Castanza is here from Chappy's Deli, and they're here today because if you need to tailgate, you need to have a friend that can get you exactly what you need and get it to you right.
And Chappy's Deli is that friend.
Amen.
And happy football season.
Happy football. But before you get started, one of the things I want to say too is I want to say thank you to Chappy's Deli for everything that you and the Castanzas and the Branco family do in this community, because a lot of organizations are national, you're locally owned, and you put your worth back into this community, and it's very good.
Well, we love Montgomery and the River Region, Prattville and Auburn, and we appreciate all the loyal customers, and thanks for that, Jack. So, yeah, it's happy football season.
Amen.
And you know, it's football at the college level, and it's football at the high school level.
That's right.
And junior high school level. So it is a big deal, a lot going on. So you might be hungry during a game, or you might be traveling to a game, or you might be, like you said, traveling to the game and then partying or tailgating outside the stadium. And we do all of that. We deliver, or you can pick it up. And say you're going to Tuscaloosa, you can stop by the Prattville store. It's just right off the interstate in the High Point Shopping Center up there.
And then continue on.
Yeah, absolutely. And then if you're going to Auburn, we have a Chappy's in Auburn at the corner of Glenn and Dean. Call ahead, go online and order, however you want to do it. And we, again, can deliver to the stadium, or you can pick it up.
Even if you're going down to Troy.
Absolutely.
You can pick it up right here in Montgomery.
My mother's alma mater, Troy, and Alex.
A hop, skip, and a jump.
It is. So on the way. So how does it work? It works real easy. And we're last minute. We're yes, we can. The answer is yes, we can, even before you call. So we have a couple of little examples here. So the sandwich trays. Everybody's familiar with a sandwich tray. And with the beauty of these sandwich trays, this is a trio tray, and it has 3 major kinds of sandwiches, and they're all kind of randomly different. So something you likes on there, something I likes on there, something everybody likes on there. You don't have to pick it out. Then
it's a wrap, it's a croissant, and it's also double deckers,
which are white wheat rye, marble rye, ham, turkey, roast beef, corned beef, smoked turkey, and then the wraps are different than that, and the mini croissants also have chicken salad. So
I'm not going to be tested on this.
No. There is a quiz, and the nice thing is random. It's kind of unique each time. And then another way to feed a lot of people would be one of our boxes, and we've got 6 or 8 boxes, a range of prices. This is one of our most popular, the Tailgater box. And so you get 4/4 of the sandwich, 2 chicken fingers, fresh fruit, our deli slaw, cookie, chicken fingers, chips.
Right.
So it's a lot of food. You could eat it over a long period of time. So the box is nice when you want to go, here's yours, go sit down, have yours. The tray is nice where you have lots of people come through, kind of serve themselves. But not just the boxes and trays, but we do potato salad, coleslaw, stuffed eggs, chicken fingers by the tray. Pretty much anything you're looking for to eat, we have.
Yeah, and basically the nice thing about this is the fact that it's easy to take with you, and it's easy to put back into the cooler if you're going into the game, because they're coming in good containers.
The great container, this we don't have a lid on this one, comes with a great sealed lid, and they do fit in big coolers or your refrigerator waiting to set it up. We also, like I said, deliver pretty much anywhere in that city's area for no charge if it's in Auburn, in Prattville, in Montgomery. And then we'll go anywhere for a price. You know what I mean?
I can imagine.
That's right.
Anybody will go anywhere for a price.
Absolutely. So Chappy's Deli, since 1989, 5 locations. We're in Baptist Hospital in the tower, but the catering stores, Prattville, Mark Wade does a great job up there. Just call ahead, pick it up on the way to Alabama or wherever you're going. At home. That's where I watch all my games. It's the 50-yard line at my house.
Close to the bathroom.
Absolutely. And kitchen.
And kitchen.
So then in Auburn, we're about 1.5 miles from the campus. If you're going to the game, stop by the store, get it. Or if you're going home, we can have it ready to pick up. And then, of course, at Pepper Tree out east, and then at Perry Hill Road, which when I was a kid used to be East Montgomery. It's Midtown now.
Midtown right now. One of the things we need to let our viewers know, too, is that a lot of high schools, parents on Friday nights, rather than getting home from work and got to get to the game, you can tailgate at a football game that's a high school football game. That's becoming more popular.
It is.
And what a great way to do it. Just pick up a box, get there, enjoy it, and then basically go into the game.
Mom and dad are both working. Mom and dad are both running after kids.
Right.
Don't put it on mama at the end of the week to feed them on
Amen.
Friday night.
Amen.
If you don't stop by one of the stores, then get something to go.
Great. Well, as Michael said, Chappy's Deli, they've been here since 1989, a big part of our community. Great food, and of course, great community supporters. We'll be right back right after this.